case, today we will learn what is water cycle and where from rain comes, how water comes to us. We will study all of the process. Let's start. Water cycle means how water moves around the earth. It has 3 stages. First one is called evaporation. Second is condensation. Third is precipitation. In evaporation, sun heats up water from Earth's surface and turns into water vapor and rise into the sky. It is called evaporation stage. You can experience at home by boiling the water. As the water boils, vapors goes up. Second stage is condensation. In this stage, the vapor cools down when they go up in the sky and turns into tiny droplets, forming clouds. You can experience at home. You can see the steam making water droplets on the ledge. This stage is called precipitation. When the clouds get too full because of water droplets, the water falls back to the ground in the form of rain. That's how waters come back to the ground. And again the cycle starts by evaporation. Subscribe my channel for more videos. So like, share and subscribe. Thank you.